Yo, what's up? It's Craig again, back with another video. Every time I pop the hood, my dad was saying, oh, this looks like shit. Why is this all rusty? It's the hot side of the turbo. So I got a turbo blanket. Now, it's not an expensive one. It is from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But I figured we'd try it out. What's the worst that could happen? Before I start, my expectations are that this thing does not go on fire and it doesn't get too burnt. I'm not looking for it to make extreme temperature changes to the engine bay or anything like that. It's strictly aesthetic and it's strictly a test until I decide I need a better one. So here it is. It's got some weird waxy black coating. I went with the black one. It's got these little clips. They gave you springs. It also came with these springs to hook them together, keep it tight, and it came with a pair of rubber gloves, safety. Here's the inside. Now, I never had it where it had this like metal screen on the inside of one before, but aside from that, it's just got like fiberglass and again this black coating. The stitching looks whatever. It was $30, and like I said, if it doesn't go on fire, I'm very happy. So the test is going to be, I'm going to install it. I'm going to go for a little Beamer blaster. I'm going to take it off to inspect it. After that, I'll reinstall it, drive the car for a couple weeks. I'll do a second inspection to see how it's holding up. This way, if you were curious on how this would last, or maybe if you were considering a really cheap turbo blanket, not a $200 one, that maybe it's worth a shot. So keep watching if you'd like to see the results. If not, skip to the end. I'm gonna just have a picture of the inside of the turbo blanket. It might be completely burnt. Let's go. Alright, so one of the other reasons I didn't buy a really expensive one was because I didn't even know if it was going to fit. And it really kind of doesn't. One of the reviews on this was that these clips fell out. They were right. But it's kind of just resting on there. And there's nowhere for it to go. So we're going to let it rock. Start it up. Not raising any immediate concerns as far as the engine running, but it's not in boost yet. All right, the engine's hot now. It's not smoking yet, so that's a good sign. Time for a Beamer blast. First test, upon initially opening the hood, it's not smoking. That's a good sign. I'm gonna let it cool down and pull it off to check it out. All right, it's the second day. I waited till the car cooled down. Needed some daylight also. Let's check it out. Hopefully it doesn't disintegrate. All right, so it's not burnt. Obviously it got warmed up and then I did one first and second gear pull, so it should have got hot. It's got some rust on it. I'm gonna throw it back on. I'm gonna throw it back on and see what happens.